This morning we're going to make peach cobbler with only 3 peaches. This is all I have left from some peaches that we got as a gift, and so we're going to turn them into a delicious cobbler. Let's get started. First, you're going to turn your oven on to 375 degrees, 375, and then you're going to grease an 8x8 dish. Next, we're going to peel and slice up the peaches. This is a great way to use up all those leftover peaches you might have that are about to go bad. And if you think that you don't have enough peaches to make a cobbler or really make a useful dish with, well, you're wrong, because you can use only 3 peaches on this delicious cobbler. You can put all of your peaches into your dish because that's where we're going to make the filling. We're going to use 1/4 cup sugar. Let's see. One tablespoon brown sugar. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Teaspoon right there. One tablespoon cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. Now give all this stuff a nice little stir in here. And we'll move on to making the topping. In a separate bowl, we're going to put 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, one-4 teaspoon salt, so I'm just going to do a little pinch here. It's about 1/4. 2 tablespoons sugar. A 1/3 cup of milk. And we're going to give all this a stir and then cut in 3 tablespoons of cold butter into this mixture. Then we're going to put the topping onto our filling here with either a teaspoon or clean hands. We're just going to cover up the top of this with the topping. Now the cobbler is ready to go into the oven at 375 for 35 to 40 minutes. Look at this bubbling deliciousness with only 3 peaches. Yummy.